Jamaicans are sharp. Jamaicans are quick. Jamaicans are intelligent. Jamaicans are hospitable. Jamaicans are everywhere, making changes across the globe, and with all that come challenges. But Jamaicans always manage a smile, for they know that they must make the best use of their time. A real Jamaican will know when to sober up, cry or smile. A real Jamaican do not pass up opportunities. A true Jamaican is sociable in whatever event arise, because they are lively and keen listeners by nature. They know when it's their turn. Jamaicans know that chances are not only for the swift, but those who grasp and make use with continuation. Jamaicans come in many shades and forms. Jamaican essence, Jamaican charm.